Hello there. I just thought I'd give you the update of what my springs actually look like. They have now been installed and they are great. I got to drive on them the very night that they were completed, and I even got the inside scoop of how to shift better from Fabian. I was doing it all wrong. Yes, my shifting abilities have gotten better, and they will improve. This is the Gulf R Mark 7.5. It's a 2019 model. It is stage 1 plus. I have a cold air intake only, plus the elbow, the turbo inlet pipe elbow. And I put in the rear diffuser, which I'll try to show you as well. It really shaped up the back end a little bit. It really emphasizes the sportiness of the car, and it looks great. I installed that myself. But these are the springs. These are called K&W H.A.S, commonly referred to as the H.A.S kit, because it enables you to utilize your adaptive chassis control, ACC, DCC. You have the electronic stabilization, the dampers, to make them either in comfort mode, normal mode, race mode, or custom mode. So I still utilize that function. I don't lose it. Let me get a little closer so you can see. That is my new ride height. And who knows, I might be getting a flush kit to make the wheels now come out a little bit more, so that they're more flush with the body. See how they're kind of sunken in a little bit now. If I get the flush kit, they'll bring them out a little bit to make them even, or more even with the body. Let's go around the back. And I can show you the springs back here. They're easy to see. We'll look from this angle too. With my hindquarters, it dropped it really nice. What I like is it's actually better than stock. Fabian was saying these feel better than stock. I mean, they're solid and smooth. There's one little noise. Okay, there's one little noise. If you're sitting still like this or going very slow in a parking lot, because I deleted the upper strut mount, the front strut mount housing is deleted. So, and it's nothing unusual. That's just what the kit calls for. So there's a little, it'll sound like this. It almost sounds like a spring's just going tick, 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 tick. It's literally about that loud. Tick, 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 like that when you're turning like real slow and or barely moving. You can see my rear diffuser, which is enhanced. Rear diffuser. All right. And we got my hindquarters on this side. A little bit of rear diffuser action. And the last thing I'm going to show you is my new shifter. The Performance Shifter shift knob from ECS Tuning. I think we'll just do one more look over also from this side. Let's go up here. We'll see it from this angle. All right, I'm gonna go inside. I don't want to spill anything. And you'll see the last part of this video will be the shifter. Looks like it was born there, right? It looks really nice. It's much shorter than the stock one. It's got the shifting pattern on it. And it's got the little ECS band, you can see. And I'm ready to go. I'm gonna put this down. I'll fire it up. You close this up. And this is my new Fast that I got as a gift from another fellow GTI owner. He's now with me with my new Golf R. So he looks like he did the day he came out of the box. I had to use a little silicone on him to make him a little nicer looking. He started getting chalky looking, but he's all right. He's all right. And since I'm in the Golf R, I gave him the Golf. Seatbelt on. Actually, I might just pull out real slow and see if you can hear the little noise that it does make. And maybe I can show off some of my new shifting skills that I'm learning. I was doing it all wrong. I'm putting the clutch in too far. You just want to like engage that clutch halfway in between gears. And now my shifting speed is way better. And all Fabian says, don't get in trouble. And I won't. Woo! We open this up here. Ta-da! It got cooler today. It's only 65. You believe that? Okay, let's just try to... Matter of fact, since it's louder with the windows open, let's close it. So I want you to hear if you can hear the front springs make that little noise if I'm barely moving. That was the window. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put it in gear. Just be listening. Did you hear that? Okay, this guy's blocking the road. Are you leaving? Oh, he's waiting for a parking space. All right. But when you're driving, it doesn't do it. See, I'm going left and right now. And over here. So then when you're going slow, you hear that little little spring sounds. You'll probably hear it again right here. And I will do one shift upward once we get out of here. It's very short. I mean, like the gears are a little bit, you guys got to watch your pinky in here, but you can kind of go like this, or just in first, it's like usually bad. But other than that, it's really good. I like that it's shorter because it's actually a shorter throw, you know? Let's see if I can go. I can. All right, let's go. Ready? Halfway. Look at that. Halfway. Holy crap, halfway. Holy. Woo, doggies. I got the alignment as well, so it's aligned. And they just feel great. You just feel solid. In race mode, you feel the ground a little bit more. In normal mode, like I said, normal should be called sport because it's still pretty stiff. You can feel the road still. And then comfort mode, you don't feel the road hardly at all. Now with the stiffer springs, you know, it's still more performance, so it's way better. So that is my video. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna probably get a flush kit, and my next big thing is gonna probably go full performance exhaust and downpipe and be reflashed for stage 2 Unitronic, and probably get rear sway bars at that time since he'll be under there anyway. That'll be something to save for, something good, and that's all I'm gonna do. Stage 2 will be a beast.